Hello everyone, and welcome back to Practice English Hub. Today, we're going to practice English together through one of the most common real-life situations, ordering food. In this lesson, you'll learn useful English expressions for every step of your dining experience. You'll practice how to arrive at a restaurant, read the menu, order food and drinks, ask questions about the menu, talk during the meal, order dessert, pay the bill, leave the restaurant naturally and confidently. This lesson is perfect for beginner English learners, travelers, international students, anyone who wants to speak English confidently at restaurants, cafés, or food courts. Each sentence will be repeated 2 times. The first time, listen carefully and repeat after the speaker. The second time, repeat again and try to copy the pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation. Don't worry about making mistakes. The more you practice, the more natural your English will become. So relax, prepare your voice, and let's begin today's English shadowing practice for ordering food. Part 1. Arriving at the restaurant. Hello. I'd like a table for 2. Hello. I'd like a table for 2. Good evening. Good evening. Do you have any tables available? Do you have any tables available? We'd like to eat here. We'd like to eat here. A table by the window would be nice. A table by the window would be nice. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. This table is perfect. This table is perfect. Here's the menu. Here's the menu. Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. We're ready to order soon. We're ready to order soon. Part 2. Looking at the menu. What do you recommend? What do you recommend? What's today's special? What's today's special? Everything looks delicious. Everything looks delicious. I can't decide what to order. I can't decide what to order. That sounds really good. That sounds really good. Is this dish spicy? Is this dish spicy? What's in this meal? What's in this meal? I'd like something light. I'd like something light. I'm looking for a healthy option. I'm looking for a healthy option. I think I've made my choice. I think I've made my choice. Part 3. Ordering food. I'd like to order now. I'd like to order now. I'll have the grilled chicken. I'll have the grilled chicken. I'd like a cheeseburger, please. I'd like a cheeseburger, please. Can I have a bowl of soup? Can I have a bowl of soup? I'll take the pasta. I'll take the pasta. I'd also like a salad. I'd also like a salad. Could I have fries with that? Could I have fries with that? That's all for now. That's all for now. Thank you. Thank you. I can't wait to try it. I can't wait to try it. Part 4. Ordering drinks. I'd like a glass of water. I'd like a glass of water. Can I have an orange juice? Can I have an orange juice? I'll have a cup of coffee. I'll have a cup of coffee. I'd like some hot tea. I'd like some hot tea. Do you have lemonade? Do you have lemonade? I'll take an iced coffee. I'll take an iced coffee. No ice, please. No ice, please. Could I have another drink later? Could I have another drink later? That will be perfect. That will be perfect. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Part 5. Asking about the food. How long will it take? How long will it take? Is my order ready? Is my order ready? This smells wonderful. This smells wonderful. The food looks amazing. The food looks amazing. Everything looks fresh. Everything looks fresh. Could I have some ketchup? Could I have some ketchup? May I have another fork? May I have another fork? Can I get some napkins? Can I get some napkins? Thank you for bringing the food. Thank you for bringing the food. Everything looks perfect. Everything looks perfect. Part 6. During the meal. This tastes delicious. This tastes delicious. I really like this dish. I really like this dish. The soup is very good. The soup is very good. The chicken is tender. The chicken is tender. The vegetables are fresh. The vegetables are fresh. This is exactly what I wanted. This is exactly what I wanted. I'm really enjoying my meal. I'm really enjoying my meal. Everything is excellent. Everything is excellent. I'm getting full. I'm getting full. That was fantastic. That was fantastic. Part 7. Asking for more. Could I have some more water? Could I have some more water? Can I have another drink? Can I have another drink? I'd like another piece of bread. I'd like another piece of bread. Could I have extra sauce? Could I have extra sauce? May I have some butter? May I have some butter? Could I get another plate? Could I get another plate? I'd like a refill, please. I'd like a refill, please. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. The service is excellent. The service is excellent. Part 8. Dessert time. Would you like dessert? Would you like dessert? Yes, I'd love some cake. Yes, I'd love some cake. I'll have the chocolate cake. I'll have the chocolate cake. Ice cream sounds great. Ice cream sounds great. That looks delicious. That looks delicious. I'd like to share one dessert. I'd like to share one dessert. It's sweet and tasty. It's sweet and tasty. This is my favorite. This is my favorite. I'm glad I ordered it. I'm glad I ordered it. It was worth it. It was worth it. Part 9. Paying the bill. Could we have the bill, please? Could we have the bill, please? I'd like to pay by card. I'd like to pay by card. Can I pay in cash? Can I pay in cash? Here's my credit card. Here's my credit card. Keep the change. Keep the change. Thank you for the great service. Thank you for the great service. Everything was wonderful. Everything was wonderful. We really enjoyed our meal. We really enjoyed our meal. Have a great day. Have a great day. Goodbye. Goodbye. Part 10. Leaving the restaurant. Thank you for everything. Thank you for everything. We had a wonderful time. We had a wonderful time. The food was delicious. The food was delicious. We'll definitely come back. We'll definitely come back. I'll recommend this place. I'll recommend this place. Have a nice evening. Have a nice evening. See you next time. See you next time. Take care. Take care. Thanks again. Thanks again. Goodbye and have a great day. Goodbye and have a great day. Excellent job today. You've just practiced 100 essential English sentences for ordering food in real-life situations, from entering a restaurant and ordering your meal to paying the bill and saying goodbye. You've learned practical English that you can use almost anywhere in the world. Remember, speaking English confidently doesn't happen overnight. It happens one sentence at a time through consistent practice. Come back to this lesson whenever you'd like to improve your pronunciation, listening, fluency, and confidence. The more you shadow, the more natural your English will sound. Thank you so much for practicing with Practice English Hub today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new English shadowing lesson. Keep listening, keep shadowing, keep speaking English every day. I'll see you in the next lesson. Have a wonderful day and happy learning!